Appalachian Power is also preparing for snow as crews work to restore thousands of outages from the winter storm earlier this week. Customers in Franklin and Henry County should have service restored by tomorrow night, but parts of central Virginia may be without power until Friday.
We've had to respond to a lot of different issues, concerns to our infrastructure. And in some situations, it's taken us a little bit of time to actually get to locations where the damage is. So we've had to rely on VDOT to assist us, as well as tree trimming crews to help us move damage.
Due to the outages, Nelson County schools will be closed again tomorrow.